Om Shri Dhanvantaraye Namaha. Welcome to today's episode of Sahasrayaga of Sahasra Yogam, an online lecture series on Sahasra Yogam by Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. Myself Dr. Narayan Khiyar, Chief Consultant and Surgeon at Living Ayurveda Today Specialty Clinic, Bengaluru. Today we are talking about Amruta Baladi Kashaya. Amruta Balayor Amshatrayobhyam Daru Rasnayoha Koranta Erandayoschapi Tat Tulyena Amshakena Cha स क्षीरसादितः क्वातः स सितः कुडनाशनः क्षीरं विना वा संसिद्धो जीरकाज्युतो अपि वा. Ingredients of the yoga are Amruta or Guduchi, Bala, Devadaru, Rasna, Kurantha or Sahachara, Eranda and Jala. The method of preparation is as per the classical method of Kashaya preparation. That is, preparing coarse churna of all the ingredients and boiling it with 16 parts of water and reducing it into 1/8 part and filtering it. The yoga is Tiktakatu Rasa Pradhana and possesses Ushna Virya. As per the Falashruti of Amruta Baladi Kashaya, we can analyze that it can be administered in 2 stages of Vata Rakta. In Iramavastha of Vata Rakta, the Kashaya should be processed with Kshira and Sita and then administered. In Samavastha of Vata Rakta, the Kashaya should be administered by processing it with Jiraka and Gritha. The dose of the yoga is 2 pala as per the classics and given with Sukoshna Jala as Anupana or Sahapana before food. It possesses various properties like Deepana and Pachana, Vatashamana, Vatanulomana, Shulahara and Rakta Prasadhana. Based on the Falashruti of the yoga and dravyas used in the yoga, the same yoga can be utilized in a variety of other conditions such as in Agnimandya, the yoga when processed with Jiraka and Gritha as mentioned in the Falashruti due to its Agni Deepana and Amapachana property stimulates the Agni. In Amaja Shula and Vataja Shula, as the yoga consists of drugs like Bala, Rasna, Sahachara and Yeranda which have Ushna Virya and Vatashamaka property along with the yoga's Agni Deepana and Amapachana property helps in subsiding Shula caused by Ama. As the yoga consists of Ushnavirya Dravyas which have Vatanulomana property, the yoga can be prescribed in borderline hypertension cases along with lifestyle modifications advised to the patient. Guduchi is a potent Rasayana and Rakta Prasadaka Dravya. Bala and Sahachara being Balya Dravyas, the yoga can also act as a very good medicine in various chronic conditions caused due to Vata and Rakta like Siraja Granthi or varicose veins, deep vein thrombosis, etc. Preventing venous stasis by improving blood circulation and also by improving the tonicity of the vessel wall and valves of the veins, the yoga can help in managing these conditions successfully. The drugs mentioned in Amruta Baladi Kashaya is almost same as that of Rasna Panchaka Kashaya mentioned in Chakradatta, with the only difference being Sahachara and Bala in Amruta Baladi Kashaya is replaced with Mahaushada or Shunti in Rasna Panchaka Kashaya. Based on this, the present yoga can also be prescribed for diseases mentioned under the indications of Rasna Panchaka Kashaya, namely Sarvanga Vata, that is myalgia, Sama Sandhigata Vata, rheumatoid arthritis, Sama Astigata Vata, chronic bone pain, Sama Majjagata Vata in conditions like chronic osteomyelitis and other related conditions. Similarly, in Rasna Saptaka Kashaya mentioned in Chakradatta, Sahachara is replaced with Trikantaka and Punarnava, which adds on Mutrala property to that yoga indicated in Jhanga, Uru, Prushta, Trika and Parshvashula. So if these conditions are not associated with Shofa, Amruta Baladi Kashaya can be preferred instead of Rasna Saptaka Kashaya. Also, all the drugs present in Amruta Baladi Kashaya are present in Rasna Erandadi Kashaya along with 9 other drugs as mentioned in Kashaya Prakarana of Sahasra Yogam, which is also specifically indicated in diseases caused due to Vata and Rakta. Hence, to some extent, in Alpa Balavastha of the Vyadis mentioned in the Falashruti of Rasna Erandadi Kashaya, Amruta Baladi Kashaya can also be used. The yoga can also be used as a Kashaya Dravya during Basti in diseases mainly caused due to Prakopa of Vata and Rakta. Thank you.